Okay, we'll be talking about cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a process that releases energy by breaking down food molecules in the presence of oxygen. Glycolysis is the first part of cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, I forgot to tell you this, but cellular respiration happens in the mitochondria of an animal cell. So cellular respiration starts out with glycolysis. Glycolysis is this right here. Glycolysis breaks down glucose into two pyruvic acids. Glycolysis can happen with or without energy, with or without oxygen. Why am I saying energy? With or without oxygen. So if we have oxygen, this process takes us to the Krebs cycle and then to the electron transport chain. And the oxygen process makes a great amount of ATP. It will make a huge amount of ATP. But if you do not have oxygen at that time, then it goes on to another process, which is it's fermentation. Fermentation is when you there's two types of fermentation: lactic acid and alcoholic, and it's basically they make alcohol or lactic acid. Lactic acid gets made in your body. But cellular respiration, it's mostly about the oxygen cycle. So glycolysis. So this is glycolysis. This is basically an overview of glycolysis. This is the first part of the cellular respiration cycle process. So this is one glucose molecule. You know the equation 6CO2 plus C6H12O6 is the arrow thingy, and 6H2O, 6CO2, and energy. Well, the C6H12O6 is basically this glucose molecule over here. It's this. So when they break, because glycolysis, it needs some energy to get started. So they get a gain of 2 ATP. 2 ATP, the 2 ATPs, they give the energy for the glucose to break down into these 2 pyruvic acids. This is a 2 pyruvic acid right here. Wait, let me change colors. So it's basically this pyruvic acid over here. And after that, it changes the 4 ADP into 4 ATP. So the net gain of ATP is 2, and the net gain is 2 ATP. The ATP, well, they get like their energies, so they get used somewhere else. And then the 2 NAD plus, they get changed into the 2 NADH. 2 NADH. They get changed into 2 NADH, and this goes to the electron transport chain, the E. That's a horrible ETC, but that's supposed to be an ETC. Ignore that line. So they go on into the electron transport chain, and the pyruvic acid, it goes on to power the. It doesn't exactly power, but it goes on to the Krebs cycle, which the products of that go on to the electron transport chain, the ETC, which will make a great deal of energy. So first in cellular respiration is glycolysis, then is Krebs cycle, then is electron transport chain. The next video, I'll teach you about the Krebs cycle and how pyruvic acid plays a great role in that. Bye till then!